If you're considering Aroflo for your church management needs, there are some important things you should know before making a purchase. In this video, we'll break down 12 key points that can help you decide whether this software is the right fit for your church and how it compares to other popular options. First, Aroflo offers an all-in-one management solution, covering everything from scheduling and attendance tracking to communication and reporting. This is great if you're looking for a comprehensive tool. However, if you're used to simpler systems or need something with a lighter interface, Aroflo might feel a bit overwhelming at first. Next thing, Aroflo is known for its strong project management features. You can easily create, assign, and track tasks for your staff or volunteers. If your church runs a lot of events or needs detailed project tracking, this is a real plus. That said, if your needs are more basic and you just want event scheduling or member management, some other systems might offer a more streamlined experience. The third thing to consider is Aroflo's pricing. It's a bit on the higher end compared to competitors like Breeze or ChurchTrack. While you get a lot of functionality, the cost might not justify it for smaller churches or those just starting out. If budget is a major factor, you might want to explore more affordable options. The fourth thing is Aroflo's mobile app. It's a great tool for managing tasks on the go, especially if your staff and volunteers need to stay connected during events. However, it's not as intuitive as other apps in this space. Some users report a learning curve, so keep that in mind when considering how quickly your team will be able to adapt. The fifth thing is reporting and analytics. Aroflo provides a wide range of reporting options that allow you to track everything from attendance to financials. This is essential for larger churches or those that need detailed insights. On the flip side, if your church doesn't need complex reporting, this feature might feel overkill, and simpler platforms could meet your needs just fine. The sixth thing to know is that Aroflo offers robust integration options with third-party tools. You can connect it with accounting software, payment systems, and other management tools. But if you already use a different software suite for your church, switching over might take time and resources to integrate everything seamlessly. Next, let's talk about customer support. Aroflo generally receives positive reviews for its customer service, offering a range of support options, including live chat, email, and phone support. However, response times can vary depending on the time of day, and some users report that it can be slower during peak hours. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that Aroflo offers a free trial, allowing you to test the platform before committing to a paid plan. This is a huge advantage because it gives you the chance to experience firsthand whether the system suits your church's needs. The ninth thing is Aroflo's customization options. While it's highly customizable, it requires a bit of time to set up the way you want it. If your church needs specific features or workflows, be prepared to spend some time getting everything tailored to your needs. The 10th thing is scalability. As your church grows, Aroflo can scale with you. It's a robust solution for larger organizations that need more advanced features. But if you're a smaller church, you might find that the complexity of the system isn't necessary for your operations. The 11th thing is Aroflo's community. The platform has a strong user community where you can exchange tips and best practices with other churches. However, compared to competitors like Planning Center, it's a smaller community, so resources and user-generated content might not be as abundant. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. If you want a more affordable, simple, or user-friendly church management tool, there are other options to consider, like ChurchTrack, Breeze, or Planning Center. While Aroflo is an excellent tool for larger churches or those with complex needs, these alternatives could offer a better fit for smaller, more straightforward operations. Overall, Aroflo is a solid option for churches with more extensive management needs. It's powerful, customizable, and has a lot of useful features. However, if you're looking for something simpler, more affordable, or easier to use, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.